Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3. We are at a Fibonacci level of 261.8, which is definitely an area where wave 3 could end. Even if it does make a wave end a wave 3, it's probably going to have to make a wave 4 and make a wave 5 just to finish off the trend that started way back here 4 years ago. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we still don't really have any evidence this wave 3 is over. We have no break of structure. We have no lower high. We don't even really have a Fibonacci bounce, telling me that I am definitely still very bullish. I really don't see any reason to think it's over yet. Going down to the daily, we had a big push down, as you can see, because of the Bank of Japan intervention last week. But this easily could be an ABC correction. It easily could bounce off a fib level and just keep on trending up. The trend is definitely up, and the trend is your friend for sure. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I think this right here could be like a leading diagonal wave A. I think this could be a wave B, almost like an expanding flat wave B. And I think there's a chance this move down is a wave C. And if it does go up and break the high right here, that would pretty much prove to me that the wave C is over and that it is going back up. I do honestly think that we should be looking for shorts because the daily time frame did turn down. But I would not be surprised at all if this did go up and break structure. And if it does break structure, I definitely will be looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, we should primarily be looking for shorts. And if it just keeps on going down, then we're looking for shorts and no big deal, right? On the other hand, if it does go up, if it does break structure, that is definitely going to turn me into a buyer at the end of every single pullback I see. So, like I was explaining on the higher time frames, I do suspect that this is a wave C, and if the market proves that it's a wave C by going up and breaking structure, then that is definitely going to turn me into a buyer. If not, continue to look for shorts, and if it just keeps on going down, then it invalidates this as a wave C. Not really a big deal because we're looking for shorts in a downtrend anyways. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.